missed you guys all very much as well. And yes, it is 2020 Christmas presents, guys. Christmas presents. It's so easy. Yeah. So let's get started with a new theme. Tricks in multiplications and divisions, part 1. So now, it was rumored that there was a treasure map on a treasure island, and whoever obtained the map would possess the huge treasure on the island. Nice is very interested and wants Wukong to join him in a treasure hunting. And now, guys, it is only rumored, so they may be a treasure chest or not. So I'm not sure if they're being very smart, but let's see. So, Wukong, I heard that there is a mysterious treasure map on the treasure island, and whoever gets hold of it possesses a huge treasure. Do you want to go treasure hunting with me? Well, sure. Let's get our friends and buddies to go too, because that way we can do a lot of more questions together and hopefully find the treasure. And here comes the Mr. Polar Bear. It's not going to be easy to reach Treasure Island. Answer my questions and I'll bring you there. So guys, a quick calculation challenge. So now, obviously everything is very easy, guys, but let's see who can actually find the pattern. So guys, does everybody know how to times 5 times 10? What's 5 times 10? Don't worry if you don't know division just yet. It doesn't matter just now. Yes, it's 50. Very good, guys. What about 5 times 100? 500, good. What about 5 times 1000? It's 5,000, good. But what about 5 times 15? Are you guys able to do that quickly as well? It's 75. Now, but let's have a look at the pattern, guys. Let's have a look at the pattern. So now it's listening time, guys, listening time. So as you can see, 5 times 10, as you can see, it's basically adding 5 10 times. Or, guys, shortcut, 5, you write down 5 and you just put number of zeros. 10 has only 1 0, so it's 50. 5 times 100, you just write number 5 and add 2 zeros, because 100 has 2 zeros. And again, yes, listening time, Jeremy. So this is 5 with 3 zeros. So this is the pattern. So guys, do you see that with multiplying 10, 100, 1000, these are going to be very, very easy numbers to multiply? Would you agree with me? Yeah? Yeah, because 5 times 15, it's not that simple. This is just an example, guys. You just need to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25, and you have a carryover of 2, and 1 times 5 is 5, and 2 plus 5 is 7, 75. So this one is not that easy, but as you can see, even though we're multiplying 1000, it becomes very easy to calculate. So these are the things that we're going to use today, but in order to use these easy numbers, you are going to learn compatible numbers. Now, guys, compatible numbers, I did teach you guys before. Some of you may remember, some of you may not remember. Basically, it's just numbers that are best friends that gives you an easy number. So 2 and 5 are best friends. Why? Because 2 times 5 is 10. And 10's our favorite number. It's very easy to multiply. And 4 and 25, they are also compatible numbers, best friends. Why? Because they give you 100 when you multiply together. And 8 and 125, when you multiply together, you get 1000. And all of these numbers, 10, 100, 1000, these are easy numbers to multiply. So guys, even though you know your times table, it's actually even more important to remember 2 and 5, 4 and 25, and 8 and 125 as well, because they will give you easy numbers. So guys, write these down if you don't remember now. So write down 2 times 5 equals to 10. And 4 times 25 equals to 100. And 8 times 125 equals to 1000, guys. Because you need them today. So, did everybody finish? Or should I give you a little bit more time? Okay, so please don't forget the compatible numbers. Okay, so a little bit more time, yes. Copy it down, guys. These 6 numbers are going to be very, very important. Okay, good. Jeremy, did you finish? Hold on, okay. And yes, Olivia, did you want to say something, Olivia?
For 5 times 15, you could just do 5 times 10 first is 50. And then you could just do 5 times 5, which is 35, and add them together.
Yes, that's right, Olivia. So you can see how splitting numbers are going to be easy as well. But I'm going to teach you a little bit more about splitting numbers as well. But thank you for sharing. But now, guys, Jeremy, did you finish copying down the 6 numbers? Good. Okay, so let's move on, guys. So practice question. Guys, before this question, let me show you something. So I need a whiteboard. All right, so guys, I want you guys to have a look at this for a second. If I do 2 times 3 times 4. Now, if you do left to right, 2 times 3 is what, everybody? Times Yancy. It's going to be 6. And now, 6 times 4 equals to how much? That's right, 24. And now, have a look at this one, guys. 2 times 4 times 3. Now, I just swapped the order of 3 and 4 over here. Let's see if it's going to be anything different or the same. So 2 times 4 is 8. Now, what is 8 times 3, everybody? 24. So now, guys, can you see that it doesn't matter if you change the order if everything's being multiplied? Can you see that? Does everybody agree? Yeah. So, yeah, very good. Very good, guys. Now, let's now have a look at this one. Guys, 8, 17, and 125. What are the 2 compatible numbers, the best friends? Tell me. Yes, 8 and 125. And guys, have a look at this. Now, 8 times 17 times 125. I can just do these 2 first. So what's 8 times 125, guys? 1000. Good. And now, this is an easy number to multiply with 17. So our answer is 17 and 30. That's how you multiply these big numbers, guys. See how quick that was, everybody? So all I had to do was quickly spot for the compatible numbers and just multiply with easy numbers. That's the trick. Do you guys like my trick? Because imagine, guys, imagine if you had to multiply 8 times 17. Yuck! And then multiply 125. Yuck! Disgusting. So, guys, the faster you quickly spot the compatible numbers, it's going to be a very delicious question, right? Okay, so now, what about this one? Yeah, what about this one? Quickly spot the compatible numbers. 4 and 25. Very good, guys. Now, 4 times 19 times 25. So I want to multiply these 2 first because it's going to become 100. And then I just write 19 and add 2 zeros. Ta-da! So, Donya, do you like this technique, Donya? Yes, I knew you would like it. All right. So now, one more. What about this one? Ooh, okay. So can you guys tell me the compatible numbers? Do we have a lot of compatible numbers or only one pair? Okay, yeah, you guys are very good now. Yes, I'm very proud to say that you guys are my students. Good. C. Why? Well, 125 and 8, these are compatible numbers, best friends. And 25 and 4 are compatible numbers, best friends. And now, guys, have a look at this. Some people will struggle what to do next. So this is 1000 times by, this is 100. Guys, it's okay. Just write down whatever you want. So, okay, I'm just going to write down 1000 and add 2 zeros. That's it. Even easier. So the technique is basically write down the first number and add zeros. That's it, guys. That's it. So did everybody understand? Good. Very good. Okay, you smart people. Let's move on. So all aboard and let's kickstart our treasure hunt. Okay. Ha ha ha. Oh no, it's getting foggy. Our locator, the compass, is spoiled and now we are stranded at the sea. We need to quickly fix it and get to the treasure island. And I knew it, guys. It was only rumored. And how dare you guys travel to find this treasure island without any preparation? We need to help them out, guys. And I don't know how to fix this, but apparently if we solve some questions, it's going to be fixed. I guess, right? So let's have a look. Class, can you help us fix the compass or locator? Well, good luck. So calculate this one. Oh, okay. So guys, do you want to multiply 4 by 48? Yuck. And then 25? Yuck. What's the technique, guys? Well, that's right, Richie. So we look for the compatible numbers and multiply these two first, which we get 100. And that's going to be 48. And then add 2 zeros. Yes, Yancy, it's not plus, it's times, okay? But good, Yancy. We do that one first. So that's it. Well, like 3 seconds, guys. 3 seconds. And now, oh, that's okay. I thought so. Because imagine this, guys. 48 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, and then 16, blah, blah. And then 25. Oh, my God. 10 with blah, blah, 960. And then 4 and 18 and 3 and okay, so that's 0 carry of 1 and then 18 and woo! Guys, this is how I got my answer. Would you like to do the same thing? Or just use my short technique and get the answer? Yeah? You see the difference? No thanks. Okay, so now guys, what about the second one? Can you guys spot the compatible numbers? Eight and 125. What does that give you, guys? What does that give you? 1,000, yes. And then, so 9 times 1,000 is 9 with 3 zeros. Ta-da! So, see how nice and easy that was? But if you don't use the shortcut, 9 times 8 is 72 if you know your times table. Okay, 125 times 72. Yuck! Yuck! Guys, disgusting. 1 and then 5, 250. And then 7 times 5 is 35. So another new carryover. And then 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. And then carry off 1. And then 8. Okay, so 0, 10. So that's another 10, and then carry out 9,000. My goodness, guys, find the compatible numbers quickly, and you can get the answer a lot faster. Okay? Understood, everybody? Okay, very good. All right, guys. So make sure you know your compatible numbers. 2 and 5, that makes you 10. 4 and 25 gives you 100. 8 and 125 gives you 1000. And guys, it's okay to do whatever first. Look, 4 times 48 times 25, that's the same thing as 4 times 25 and then do 48 later. You can do the compatible numbers first. Okay? All right. So now, guys, this is your turn to do this question. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, which is more than enough. More than enough. So let's see how many people can get this question right. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And guys, everybody got this question correct. So everybody, yay, hooray, everybody got this question correct. Well done, guys, well done. Okay, so now, guys, who would like to explain this question to the class? Okay, let's have so many people to choose from. Okay, let's have Jeffrey. Hello, Jeffrey.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So I did 4 times 25 equals 100. Then 100 times 13 equals 1,300.
Very good. All you need to do is write 13 and add 2 zeros. So, do you like my shortcut?
Yep.
Very good, Jeffrey. Looking good. All right. So now, so that's how we do this question. Very simple. Everybody got this right. So as you can see, do we have any compatible numbers, guys? What were they, everybody? What were the compatible numbers? 4 and 25. Good. And then, looks like we have fixed the compass, guys. All right, so we made some progress. Every single time we finish a question, we get to fix this compass. Okay, we fixed one part. All right, now have a look at this one. let's calculate these two numbers. Guys, yuck. 25 times 36, yuck. Oh my goodness. So that's going to be 30, and 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 8, 180. And then 6 times 2 is 12, and you carry over 1, and then 6, 7, okay, and then 0, 0, and then 1 more, so 2, 7, 9. 900, yuck. Guys, there must be an easier way, right? There must be an easier way. We don't want to do this, and I think some of you already know this trick. Guys, 25 times 36. I'm going to change this question, guys. Listening time, guys, listening time. Guys, 25. Who's the best friend for 25? Compatible numbers, guys. It's 4. So, okay. So we want to have 25 times 4. But it's not 4. It's 36. So, guys, can you actually split 36 by multiplying 4 times what? It's 9. So, Donya, this is like dividing. Yes, Donya, this is like division. So this is going to be a good practice for everybody who don't know division. So, guys, what I'm doing is this. 36 divided by 4 is 9 because I want 4. Guys, we want 4. Yeah? Because 25 and 4 are best friends, compatible numbers. So this is how you think, Donya. When you're trying to divide and who don't know how to divide, guys, think of a number and think, what do you need to multiply with number 4, which is 9. So, guys, okay, so we have split 36 into 2 different numbers, 4 and 9, because 4 times 9 is 36. So it's the same question, but we just made it look different. Why do we want to make it different? Because, everybody, now, 25 times 4 is 100 times 9. So what do we get? 9 with 2 zeros. Ta-da! Did everybody follow? Yeah? Okay, let's do this one more time. One more time. Okay, 125 times 56. Yuck! Yuck! Guys, compatible numbers. 125. Who do we want? We want 8. We want 8. Exactly. So we need to have 8 times by, okay, 8 times what equals to 56, guys? 8 times what equals to 56? Yes, it's 7. So we need to split. So division, guys, think about it. The word division, divide. In English, that means split, right? Guys, do you agree? Division, divide, split. Same thing. Oh! So from 56, I need 8. And if you split, you get 7. This is how you divide, guys. Okay? So, okay. Now, yes, everybody, you guessed it right. The answer is now very, very easy because that's going to be 1,000 times 7. 7 with 3 zeros, which is 7,000. Ta-da! Okay, so you better remember this because otherwise you need to do 125 times 56. Yuck! Okay, so 3 and then 15 and then 1 and 750 and then 5 and 20. That's 10 or 25, sorry. And even I'm getting confused. Okay, and 1 more. So, okay. And carry of 1, 0. Ah, jeez, guys. Yuck. But see how easy we did it by just splitting. Yeah? So this is how to solve these yucky numbers with ease. All right, good. And now, so as you can see, guys, if you want to split, make sure you know what to split. Guys, look, would you like to split 25? No, 25 is our friend. It gives us easy numbers. We want to split 36 because we really want 25 and 4 to be together. Isn't that right, guys? Isn't that right? Yeah. So that's how we do this question. Okay, so now this is your turn, guys. Take your time because for some of you, splitting it's going to be new. So take your time. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, guys. So good luck. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And guys, again, hooray! Everybody got this question correct, guys. Yay! Yay, everybody. Good job. Okay, so guys, let's see who wants to explain this question to the class. Okay, so let's have all right, let's have Amy. Hello, Amy.
Hi.
Hi, how did you do this question?
Basically, I divided 24 and 4, which equals 6, and then I times 25 and 4 together to equal 10, and then
10?
6.
10?
I mean 100.
Yes.
And then with the 6, I make 600.
Very good. So very good, Amy. Thank you very much. So guys, what Amy, and I'm sure you guys did the same thing, guys. So 25 times 24. This is our friend. So what do we want? 25 times? We want 4. Okay, so we split. So 4 times 6 equals to 24. So these two becomes 100, and then 100 times 6 is just 600, which is going to be B. Very easy. Yeah? So guys, I'm very proud of you guys because now everybody is doing so well. So as you can see, the compatible numbers were 25, and 4. So let's fix the compass. Okay, we're nearly halfway through. So let's keep going, guys. And now, what about this one? This one's actually quite difficult. Now, I'll give you a hint. There's not really any compatible numbers, so I will give you some time to figure this out yourself, okay? Have a think about it, guys. I'll give you the options in a second. Okay, so I want you guys to try and think about this for a second. There is an easier way, but if you really want to get this answer correct, you can do the yucky method. Okay, you can do the yucky method, but if you do the yucky method, it's not going to be that easy. Okay, but there is an easier way. Okay, guys, the time is now up, and the correct answer is actually E. So well done, guys. So now, let's see who can actually explain this question. I want to see some people explaining how they did this question. Okay, so let's have a look. Maybe. All right, Yancy, do you want to explain, Yancy? Hello,
No,
Yancy.
I accidentally raised my hand.
Oh, really? Okay, that's okay. Maybe you can explain the other question. All right, so anybody else? Sherlock? Okay, hello, Sherlock.
I also accidentally raised my hand.
Okay. All right, let's see. Catherine? Hello, Catherine.
Hello.
Yes. How did you do this question?
I did 36 divided by 9.
Ooh, okay.
Which equals 4.
Yep.
Then 4 times 11 equals 44.
Oh, very nice. So that is actually the exact way how to do this question. Very good, Catherine. Very good. So, guys, you may be thinking, wait, it was that easy? Now, let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Again, let's go to this board again, and let's have a look at. Guys, I am going to do 6, bigger pen. So 6 times 2 divided by 3. And I'm going to compare, well, let's do this one first. 6 times 2 is how much, everybody? 6 times 2, everybody, is 12. And 12 divided by 3 is how much, guys? So if you split 12 by 3, what do you get? Meaning 3 times what equals to 12? Yes, it's going to be 4. So, okay, so we get 4 as our answer. Let's see if the answer changes if we swap the order. Okay, so guys, what is 6 divided by 3, everybody? So what times 3 equals to 6? William, it's 2. And then 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So, guys, as you can see, it's okay to swap the order if you're multiplying and even dividing. Does that make sense, everybody? So if that's the case, guys, if this is the case, we can actually do something really good like this. 36 times 11? Yuck! No, I don't want to do that first. I want to swap the order and do 36 divided by 9 first, which is 4, and then times 4 by 11 to get 44. So that's the technique, guys. Does that make sense, everybody? Good. Okay. So now let's have a short break. All right. So very good, guys. Very good. So it's the first break of 2023. And guys, I think you guys like to draw some pictures during the break. Isn't that right? You guys like to draw some pictures? Yeah? Yes. All right. Don't worry. For those people who don't like to draw pictures, you guys can tell me a joke or a riddle. Sounds fair? So, let's see. And I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to draw pictures, okay? And, okay, so, yeah, you don't need to draw, guys. If you don't want to draw, that's perfectly fine, okay? And now, but does anybody want to show me something? I think we have some people who like to show me something. Yeah, let's do tic-tac-toe from next lesson, guys, okay? First lesson back, guys. I need to rest a little bit. I need a little bit more longer holiday. You guys are so good at tic-tac-toe, so you guys are going to beat me. So I need some break, okay? All right. So now, did anybody want to show something? I think Isabella. Okay, Isabella. Let me have a look. Where are you, Isabella? There you are. Yes, Isabella. Did you want to show something? Oh, wow. What's that? Oh, it's all the work that you did today. Oh, very nice, Isabella. It's very colorful. Thank you very much. You're so good. Nice pictures and nice colors. Thank you. And okay, who else wants to show and tell? Yancy. Okay, Yancy, let's have a look. Oh, wow, Yancy, look at that. Very well organized. I love all these numbers. Very good, Yancy. Thank you very much. That's awesome. Okay. And Danya, no? Okay. You can raise your hand if you want me to check something for you. Olivia? Okay, Olivia, let's have a look, Olivia. All right, Olivia, what do you have? Oh, okay.
Find a book where I can take notes, and I've just taken a few.
Oh, look at that. Very good. Division is split. Yes, that's right. Well done, Olivia. Nicely done. Thank you so much. That's very good. Oh, Danya, you're going to show us a new room. Okay, Olivia. Danya. Yes, because Danya moved to Auckland. Any other people who lives in Auckland? Any other Auckland friends? Melody, Annie. Yes, we have a lot of people from Auckland. Yancy from Singapore. Yes, Sophie as well. Yes, live in Australia. Yes, very good. Okay, very, very good, guys. Wellington, yes, Wellington, good. All right. Guys, I'm looking at some of your pictures. They're really awesome, by the way. If you want, Danya, you don't have to, but... So all those artists, guys, drawing people, you've got 1 minute and 30 seconds to finish up your drawing. You still got some time, but time flies quickly. So manage your time. Okay, Danya, take it easy. Oh, you do want to show? Okay, Danya. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow, flowers and teddy bears, and look at the curtains and a massive bed, okay, with lots of clothes.
So this basically is gonna be my couch.
Ah.
Put this over here, then put my bed over there. Then I'm gonna get rid of this table and put the table at Hamilton there.
Ah, I see. Well, Danya, thank you for sharing. It looks very nice, better than before. All right, thank you, Danya. All right, guys. So, guys, the time is up nearly. Finish up your drawing. So, that's it. Okay. So, all right, guys. Now, let's check your drawings, everybody. So, let's have a look, everybody. Now, Amy, I hate you. No! No! And Elisa, ooh, what's this? Is that a traffic? Ooh, very nice. Is that a road? Maybe you need a car. I'll draw you a car. Broom, broom. Okay, no drawing. Okay, that's sad. And Annie, that's good. Happy New Year! Yes, 2023. Ha! Kathy Wang. Who's this? Anybody take a guess? Who's this? It's you. It's me. Yes, it's Jason. Okay. And, ooh, what's this, Donya? All right, and now here. Oh, yes, people like to put some memes. Okay. And I was going to draw you. Stop posting it. Okay, that's a nice little Lego. That's pretty good. All right. Ah, it's me again, Jason. And it's wow, very nice, very nice, very nice handwriting, drawing, and wow, look at this. I actually really like this picture. Very nice. Wow, this is really good. Why am I yellow? I don't know. Maybe I'm sick. All right. And okay, yes, yes, very famous. And I. All right. And then Audrey, Melody. Ooh, nice, nice picture. Very nice. And Happy New Year. Yes, that's right. 2023. And it's a rose. Yes, nice, Olivia. Thank you. It's me again, Jason. Okay, thank you, thank you. And it's me again. A lot of me. All right, very nice. And Wainoka, woo, 2023. Yes, wow, very nice picture. It looks like a maze, but it's actually a number. Ricky, yes, thank you for the picture as well, Ricky. That's me. And it's me again, Jason. And let's see. Happy New Year. Okay. I have a lot of clones, yes. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's see. Wow. Look at yellow me, guys. Let me just hold on a second. Okay. All right. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. All right. So I think that was a good break. And now, guys, we've been helping these guys to fix the compass, and they're still looking sad and asking us to help. Geez, Wukong and fellow friends, you can't do anything without us, especially without me. So, okay, the fog is getting denser. There may be a danger looming. We have to quickly fix the locator. All right. So, guys, this is actually a very, very important slide. Everybody, please pay attention for a couple of minutes now, because now it's going to be something new. Now it's going to be something very useful. Now it's going to be something a little bit harder, okay? So now, guys, this is not hard, but it's going to be very important to know. Guys, now, parenthesis is basically brackets, Okay, it's another way of saying brackets, right? And now multiplication and adding is something very similar because, guys, Boris, are you paying attention? Boris, are you paying attention? Okay, so guys, if I get rid of the brackets, am I going to change anything, guys? Have a look. If I take out the bracket, so no bracket, sorry, it's okay. Right, guys? It's okay. You can add whatever first, or I mean, you can add the brackets. Well, if you have brackets, you must add them first, but it's okay to add whatever. Yeah? It's okay. But what about this one? 37 plus 65 minus 37. It's okay again. It's okay. So now, with bracket, with no bracket, it's the same thing. And guys, so it's also going to be the same thing for 25 times 4 times 31 with no brackets, no brackets, no brackets. It's all going to be okay. Now, there's one thing that you need to understand. There's actually a pattern, guys. There is a pattern. Now, not many people see the pattern at the moment because you need to see the next slide to see what the pattern is. So let's just quickly see if it's really okay. So I'm just going to pick a couple of questions. So guys, let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at this one. Let's see if it's really okay to just take out the bracket. So 37 plus 65 minus 37. So with the bracket, I think I need a whiteboard. Okay. All right, so that's good. All right, so now have a look at this. So normally with the bracket, we need to do this one first. Guys, all those smart people, can you calculate what 65 minus 37 is for me? Yes, we get 28. So we solve the brackets first. And when you add 37 and 28, what do you get, everybody? 65. So it's okay. Well, is it? Let's test it out. With no bracket. So now, with no bracket, what is 37 plus 65, everybody? Thank you. 102 minus 37 equals to 65. So guys, I just tested out. My experiment worked. It's okay to remove the bracket, and even easier, guys. Some people knew this already. Ha, Jason, that's a piece of cake. I can just switch the order, and 37 minus 37 is 0. So 65. Yeah? But guys, that's not my point. My point is it was okay to get rid of the brackets. Do you guys agree? It was okay to get rid of the brackets. Yeah? Everybody agree? Yeah. And now, guys, now, here comes, let's do one more quickly. So let's have a look at, let's have a look at this one. So I'll quickly do this one for you guys because this one is a little bit yucky, but obviously I have a shortcut for you. Okay, so let's see if it's okay to get rid of the brackets. Guys, 25 times 4 times 31 now is, well, let's use the brackets first. It's going to be 25 times, 31, so 4 and 124. And that's going to be, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 4, 25 times, so 20, so 2 and 1, and then 6, and then 1, 8, 4, and 2, so 0, and then 1, and then 3. Okay, so that's the answer. And now, guys, let's see if it was okay to get rid of the brackets. So get rid of it, even easier. This one, so it's going to be 100 times 31, which is 31 with 2 zeros. So guys, it is actually okay to get rid of the brackets. Yeah? Right, guys? It was okay to get rid of the bracket. But, have a look at this one. I am going to show you one thing, guys. This is the one that is a little bit tricky. Now, why? Let's have a look together. So, guys, if you're using brackets, it's going to be very easy. So 95 minus 25 plus 29. Well, Jason, that's not hard. So 95 minus, and what do we get if we add these two numbers, guys? And Danya, what's the matter? What's the matter, Danya? Sorry, I can't hear you, Danya. Sorry, Danya, I can't hear you. I think you might need to rejoin. Or you can let me know in the chat. I think there are some issues. Or maybe Danya cannot hear me. So rejoin Danya. Okay. All right. Now, guys, now, yes, it's 54. And now what is 95 minus 54? $41. Now, guys, listening time. Let's see if it is okay to get rid of the brackets. So now, focus. This is the most important part of today's lesson. 95 minus 25 plus 29. So 95 minus 25 is 0 and 70. Minus 20, well, plus 29 equals to, wait a minute. Something's wrong. Guys, so it's not okay. It's not okay to get rid of the brackets. Why? What's different? How come the other part worked pretty well, but now it's not working? Why? And here is the hint. Guys, it's because you guys need to now focus on the sign in front of the bracket. Oh, really? So have a look at this, guys. What did we have before? We actually had plus in front of the bracket and plus in front of the bracket and times in front of the bracket. Does everybody see that? So if you have a plus sign or a times sign in front of the bracket, it's okay. It's the same thing. Okay, guys? But what's the difference? Now it's minus, divide, and divide. So minus and divide is not so happy very, very stingy, guys. They don't like things to be changed. So instead, they're very stubborn and saying, hey, don't get rid of the brackets or else. And that else is actually, have a look, guys. So let me show you what happens, what really happens. So what really happens is this. If you guys can spot the minus or a division sign, guys, 95, you write minus was there, 25, and you change the sign. Guys, originally it was plus, you need to change it to minus now. And let's see if this works. So this is 70 minus 29, and oh my goodness, now it works. Did everybody understand? You need to change the sign inside the bracket. Okay? You need to change the sign in front of the bracket, or inside the bracket. When you see what signs? The two signs which are very stingy. Two signs which are very stingy, guys. Those are minus and divide. Okay, everybody? All right. So let's change everything then. All right, then. So it's going to be 85 minus 35. Is it going to be minus? Nope. Change it to plus 41. What about this one? 95 minus 25. Change it to minus 29. Now, what about this one? 25 divided by 5. Change times 6. 120 divide 6. Change to divide and 4. Does that make sense, everybody? See how all of these signs are now changed? Jeffrey, do you understand? Sherlock, Yancy? Good. Good. Okay. So very nice, everybody. So let's have a look. So let's have a look at the brackets, guys. Brackets. Oh, that's okay, Amy. Look. Do we need to change, everybody? If we have times in front of the bracket, do we need to change? No change. No change. We have multiplication sign. Do we need to change? No change. So that's why we have times and times and times and times. Very good. Times and divide and times and divide. Very good. Now, what about this one? We have divide in front of the brackets. Yes, we need to change. So now it's going to be divide and times to divide and divide. Divide in front again. So yes, change. Divide changes to times now. So that's how you do it, guys. Okay, so please remember. Now notice if you have times or plus, let me use different color pen. So all the signs inside the brackets are not going to change. Unchanged, no change. But if you have minus or division in the brackets, everything will change. Okay, so guys, what do you think the signs should be? Should we change? Do we need to change? No. So we just keep the division sign, so it's going to be B. Okay? Very good, guys. Very good. All right. Good. What about this one? Do we need to change or no change? We need to change. So what's the sign? If it was originally division, now it should be times. All right. Stamp. What about this one? Ooh, okay. Oh, I see what's happening, guys. It's going backwards. We're going backwards, everybody. So, okay, it's times. So times is over here. That's good. But it was division. So what's the sign here? Yes. No change. So same thing. Good. What about this one, guys? We have divide and divide, but we need to go backwards. So it was originally divide. Okay, so what do we need over here? We need times, yes, so that it becomes changed into the division sign. Yes, very good. Excellent. Nicely done, everybody. So let's calculate this, guys. Ha! Now, guys, have a look. 25 times brackets 3 times 4 divided by 5. Guys, do I need to change? No change. So I don't need to change anything. And guys, I can swap the order and do these two first. 25 divided by 5 is how much, everybody? So I can swap the order, yeah. So let me just swap it for you. So 25 divided by 5 times by 3 times by 4. That is 5 times 3 times 4. Let's swap again. I want to do 5 times 4 times 3. What is 5 times 4? 20 times 3 equals to 60. So everybody agree? All right. So, okay, one more practice. Guys, what about this one? Do I need to change? Yes, I need to change. It's divide. So, Jason, do I change only one or everything? Everything. So, you had division sign at the first. So, you write 5 and change. Oh, let me show you. Change. And